Okay, so we're going to work on volume of the pyramid. So for a pyramid, everybody, it is the same thing where it is going to be the volume of the base times, so for all of these, for pyramids and cones, it's 1/3 the area of the base times the height. Okay, so again, everybody remember that big B stands for area of the base. Because again, it's all about that base, no trouble. Okay, so for this one, everybody, so this one's definitely, it has different measurements here. So this is a rectangular pyramid because it has that point at the top. So there's a point at the top, rectangular pyramid. So we have where it's going to be, so our length is 22, our width is 21, and our height of our pyramid is 35. So we're just going to go volume is equal to 1/3 length times width. So 22 times 21 times our height of 35. So we're going to multiply those all together for 1/3, everybody. Remember, in the calculator, you do 1 parentheses 1 divided by 3. Because a fraction is another way to write division. So 1 divided by 3 times 22 times 21 times 35. And we get that the volume is 300 meters cubed. Okay. For our cone, everybody, so this, again, so it's going to be, it's a different color, everybody, just so you can see all this. So the volume is going to be 1/3. Okay, so again, everybody, it's 1/3 area of the base times the height. So our base is going to be area of the circle. Okay, so this one, everybody, our diameter is 4. So that means that our radius, so everybody, this radius is 2. So it's going to be 2 squared times our height, which is 12. Okay, so we're going to multiply those all together. Again, everybody, remember for 1/3, do parentheses 1 divided by 3 into the calculator, times 3 and 1400ths for pi, times 2 squared, so 2 times 2, which is 4, times 12. Okay, and so for our cone, everybody, so we get it's 50 and 2400ths. We're going to round that up to the tens place. So remember, 5 and up, round it up. So it's going to be 50 and 2/10 meters cubed for volume. Okay, so now we have another one. So this one, everybody, is a square. So it's a square pyramid. The pyramid is a square. Okay, so it's still going to be, so for this one, it's going to be 1/3. Okay, our base is a square, so it's going to be 32 squared times 50. Okay, that's because for the base, for the area of the base here, okay, remember the area of the base for a squared is side squared. The side length is 32, height is 50. I'm just showing you where I'm getting all these. Okay, so again, I'm going to enter, remember, do 1 divided parentheses 1 divided by 3 times 32 squared times 50. Okay, so look on the calculator, everybody. So what I get, so I get 17066, so 17,666, and then that 6, remember 5 and up, round it up. So I'm going to round that up to 7 because we're rounding to the tens place. So 17,066 and 7/10 feet cubed. Okay, so what if we have where it's a triangle? Okay, so what if we have everybody where it's a triangle? So let's look at this one. So we have a triangular pyramid. So the base, everybody, is a triangle. Okay, so remember everybody, it's the 1/3 area of the base times the height. So it's going to be 1/3 is equal to 1/3 base times the height of the triangle times the height of the prism. Okay, I'll write these out. So, okay, so now we're going to write that out. So now I'm going to substitute it in. So 1/3, so 1 divided by 3. Okay, our base is 21. This is our height of the triangle is 18, everybody, and I also know it because it's right here on the triangle. This is the base. Okay, so this is the base. Keep that visual in there. So 18. Height of the prism, so that would be this height right here, is 14. Okay, so everybody, so we're multiplying those all together. Oh, sorry, everybody, I forgot to put our 1/2. I'm going to use 0.5. Remember, okay, 1/2 is half a dollar or 50 cents. Okay, so I got 882 feet cubed. Okay, so let's do again for this one, everybody. So I'm going to do volume. So volume is going to be equal to 1/3 length times width times the height. 19 is the height. This is actually a square, so I'm going to use square side squared. This is the sides. So volume is going to be equal to 15 squared times the height, which is 19. Okay, so we got 1,425 inches cubed. Okay, so it's going to be cubed. Okay, for our cone, everybody, so our cone, again, this, it keeps moving on me. Okay, come back here. Okay, so this is a circle. So volume, everybody, is going to be 1/3 pi r squared times the height. Okay, our height is 21. Okay, 14 is the diameter. So our radius is going to be half of that, which is 7. Half of the diameter, remember diameter goes all the way across, and just like we did for our pi day activity. So I'm going to do 1 divided by 3. 3 and 1400ths for pi. 7 squared times 21. Okay, so I'm just going to put all those in the calculator, everybody. 3 and 1400ths for pi times 7 squared times 21 for the height. Okay, and I got 1,700 and 200ths. Remember 5 and up rounded up, so it's going to be 1,700. Sorry, 1,077. 1,077 meters cubed. Okay, I'll do one more with a rectangular pyramid. So for this one, it's going to be 1/3 its length times width, because that's the base, times the height. Our length is 32, our width is 17, our height is 24. So it's going to be 1/3 times 32 times 17 times 24. Okay, so we're going to multiply those all together. Okay, and I got 4,352 feet cubed. Okay, everybody, that is for volumes of pyramids and cones. You got this.